Today we're looking at unit fractions. A unit fraction is one part of a whole, just one. Uh, a fraction, it's expressed as whatever the denominator is with a 1 on top, representing only one piece. So for this one, the unit fraction would actually be one whole because it's only one piece that makes up the whole. For the blue, though, there are two pieces that make up the whole, or two parts, so the unit fraction would just represent this much, 1/2. For the red whole, three parts make up the whole, so the unit fraction would just be this 1/3 right here. For the green, four parts make up the whole, so the unit fraction would just be this 1/4 right here. And for the black, five parts make up the whole, so the unit fraction would just be this one part here. Now, you don't necessarily have to start on the left-hand side, but we are starting on the left-hand side because it's very nice to be able to compare your unit fractions. For example, I can look at this unit fraction right here, 1/5, and tell you right away that it's much smaller than one whole. I can look at this unit fraction right here, 1/4, and tell you that it's much smaller than 1/2 if we all start on this left-hand side. Okay? Let's also look at it from a pizza perspective, because everybody loves pizza. This would be one whole. This would be a unit fraction for 1/2. This would be a unit fraction for 1/3. This would be a unit fraction for 1/4. And 1/5 would be the unit fraction for this whole. Okay? Five parts make up the whole, and 1/5 would be the unit fraction. So if I were to ask you the question, which would you rather have? Say these are candy bars. Would you rather have 1/3 of the candy bar, and it's your favorite candy bar in the whole world, or 1/5 of the candy bar? I hope you would say 1/3. If this is your favorite candy bar in the whole world and I asked you whether you'd want 1/4 of the candy bar or 1/2 of the candy bar, I would hope you would say 1/2. If it was pizza and it was your favorite kind of pizza, would you rather have 1/5 of the pizza or 1/2 of the pizza? Now, a common mistake that students make is they see the bigger number and they think, oh, it's a bigger number. But in terms of the denominator, the top of the fraction is the numerator and the bottom of the fraction is the denominator. When the denominator gets bigger, as in fifths or fourths, what that means is you have more pieces to divide up, which means less for you. So if you're splitting this delicious candy bar up amongst your friends and you have a bigger number on the bottom, the denominator's bigger, you're actually getting less because you have more pieces to share. Whereas if you just split it up between you and your friend, two people, your piece will be much bigger. So that's what a unit fraction is, and I hope this lesson helped.